Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can create a Kalshi account. It's really easy and simple. Come to the Kalshi sign up page first, kalshi.com/sign hyphen up, okay? Then here you can either continue with an email or you can continue with Google or Apple. So I'm going to choose continue with Google. Okay, now I've selected my Google account right here. I'm going to press on continue. So you don't have to go ahead and put your personal information there at the start. What you can do is just connect with a Google account. It's going to pick up some of your information. And boom, guys, we have created a Kalshi account. You can go ahead and, of course, add funds to your account. Okay, it signed me back out. Let me just log in. So some of the things you need to make sure is that you need to be at least 18 years old. And you need to have a legal U.S. residential address within these 50 states or U.S. territories and have a bank account that is able to be linked to Kalshi. So you'll have to go through this process. You'll have to verify yourself, okay? They'll first do an email verification, a phone number verification as well. And then what they're going to do, guys, is they'll ask you for your address. They will ask you for your photo ID so they can make sure that it matches the information in your Kalshi profile and your social security number to actually be verified. Without these guys, your account will just be under review and you'll not actually be able to use it. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.